I do this all the time.
3 Red Bulls and clouds. Wow, I'm gonna be jumping tonight. Hope I have some company. It's gonna be useless otherwise. This cafe.
You're gonna be quiet now when I'm filming? What the fuck?
I know you want me. Don't say I know you want me.
Hey, what's your number? Right?
No wonder you're
It's
Terrible.
so easy. It's so easy because usually they're like, oh, it's
You know, you actually look like one of those girls. You might be interesting. But,
I'm not sure.
no, I think we should debate it. Tell me something. Tell me something interesting. What would you debate about? Can you debate? Just cute. Let me see us. Turn around.
complicated pickup line.
Look at us. Alright, now to be articulate, entertaining, good sense of humor. It has to grab my attention. Secondly, she needs to be of the type who will eventually be good in a family. And thirdly...
Ow.
Good,
Okay.
yeah, good.
That's good.
Thirdly, I don't know, third one, complicated one. Wow.
Hot?
I don't know. No, absolutely hot. Otherwise, we wouldn't even start the debate. She has to be hot.
Right. No, so what does she do? Okay, so girl is hot, girl is homely, all of those things, is intelligent, all that. But then she shows too much interest or something goes wrong. So what is this? What is the process we should follow? Because clearly my book is not.
It's flawed.
It is flawed.
It's
It's major flaws.
You know,
Like, no, somebody should have written the game for us. Like, you guys have the game. You have so many, like,
but
reference
it
materials.
actually is the whole part of flirting. How do you get somebody's attention? You push and pull. You give a little bit of attention, then you like act a little bit arrogant, and then it's just a combination
So
of...
you guys like that. You like the arrogant
Absolutely,
chicks.
As
absolutely.
long as you're not playing games. No playing games.
Be attentive. Don't
Of
be
course it's
too-
a game.
Of course it's a game, dude.
What?
It is a game. Flirting is a game.
And then
Eric
get up
Sean
and
is
walk
so on the
No.
fence. He's like,
Guys,
I want a commitment. I don't want a
away. They
commitment.
walk out.
No, I'm saying that if you want you
Right.
want her to grab your attention, it has to be a combination of both. She has to actually, be able to flirt with you at one point, and also show a little bit of attitude, and
Right.
work her way around that. It's
And
tough.
how soon should she get physical with you if she wants a serious relationship?
5 minutes before she met me.
I mean, you're lying. Come on, tell the
No,
truth.
I would say physical. And are we saying first base, second base, third base?
I would like sex. Like, you should wait for how long? Like, if you want a serious relationship.
Well,
Day and a half.
no,
A date. You guys are such
I'm
liars.
gonna throw out a number. No,
Okay.
I'm gonna throw out a number. I
Okay.
think probably a
17 days, a month.
Wow.
A month to 45 days.
Really?
But she has to keep you on the string. Then it has to be worth it. I mean,
Right.
the end
Just
game has to be
kind of be like
fantastic.
a tease about it.
I disagree with
Wow.
Once again, how long has it been since?
There you have it, girls.
Long
They're
time.
telling you the truth right here. You can text in if you have a question. ONE space to 53650. You can also Twitter in at Miss Malini, and don't forget to catch all this footage, even the stuff that goes on while the songs are playing, on YouTube.com/Miss Malini.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
Really?
Suffocating. That point.
No, but okay. So if a girl's being really sweet and loving, and why is that annoying?
She's being, we need some space.
Yeah,
Too
too
attentive.
much of it is just
Right.
too much.
You just want to go out with like a major bitch, basically. Is what you're saying. It's terrible. So what are you teaching us?
I thought we were supposed to be the nice guys. I mean, you just tearing it
Clearly,
down for us,
clearly
you know?
not. You're like, I like women who play hard to get, who won't sleep with me for 45 days. She
Theoretically.
sounds terrible.
Yes.
I'm
No,
theorizing.
I'm saying.
Come on.
Honestly, too much of it is just suffocating. A little
Right.
space.
And he said that with a really harsh voice.
Yeah.
Ladies,
Yeah.
don't be psycho.
Don't be sad. Okay, we have another question. Ritika says, how is it that guys get over breakups so fast? I had a 6-month relationship after which he dumped me without giving me a reason and has been acting very desperate with other girls that I know since then. That's the worst. Why do you hit on our
Hey,
friends?
stop keeping tabs on me. I mean, him.
On him.
Do you know Ritika, Shan? Is there something we should know? But
I'm
I'm with Ritika
I
on
have
this.
no comments on this one.
No, I agree with her. Why is it that, you hit on our friends? That's really bad. You shouldn't do that. That's so mean.
Other
It's
options.
pool resources. We already know these girls. It's easier.
How would you feel if we hit on your friends after we dumped you? That's what happened to you the first time around, and you're not the same.
Yeah, just
there
have
we
it
go.
once.
There we go.
Okay, now, yeah.
That's your answer right there.
I see. Okay, almost out of time. So, any parting words of wisdom then for the boys and girls?
Girls, it's actually simpler than what you're trying to do. It's simple, very simple. That's all I have to say. And guys,
Oh, come on, that's not good enough. If it's so simple, tell us what it is.
It's we're overcomplicating all this. It's a simple thing.
Okay.
Guy, girl meets boy, boy meets girl, and then we go
But
on
who
from
should call first? Damn it. All right.
there. And boys, stay away from my women.
All right. Neil?
Girls. Oh, no, go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. Well, for the women, make the call the next day. Make the call the next day.
Oh, you're confusing them.
I know.
And
way.
for the guys, stay away from Neil's pickup lines. Totally.
Right. And
Okay,
Neil?
ladies, 9619.
Oh my god.
Pickup line. Finish with the pickup
Oh,
line.
pickup line, pickup line. Yeah, sorry. I would say, yeah, don't be suffocating, don't be psycho, and know when to listen and not talk.
Phew, you just left what, one woman in the world?
They're disappearing faster and faster. And to the boys?
No, I have no
No,
idea.
no,
They know. They
That's a
know.
good thing.
Screw you guys. All right, well.
तेरे जैसी सोनी तेनू कहीं ना मिले